Hey everyone, today I was just going to show you how to use a Selenium module for Python, which is basically a popular method of web scraping. And what web scraping is it basically just scrapes a website, so it's Stack Overflow, for information based off of the source code. So you can see the source code, and it pulls information from that source code. So to start off, what you're going to need is Chrome driver for the correct version of Chrome that you have. And you can check that by going to help and then about Chrome. Then once you download the driver, you want to go into your files, this PC, Windows, and then you want to go into program files, and then put that in there, put that application in program files. So once you have that set up, we can start with the first line of code, the import statement. So we're going to say from Selenium import WebDriver. And then we're going to specify the path to the Chrome driver.exe that you just downloaded probably. So path equals C program files x86 Chrome driver.exe. And then we're going to specify the web browser with which we're going to implement Selenium. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. So Chrome driver, that's why I downloaded Chrome driver. We're going to say driver equals webdriver.chrome path. So once we have driver, we can start getting URLs with it. So we can say driver.get. Let's just go to Stack Overflow again. You want to specify the full URL, not just like stackoverflow.com, but including the HTTPS or HTTP in this case, or in other cases. Stackoverflow.com. So once we run this program, we should see a separate window pop up with Stack Overflow running. Chrome is being controlled by an automated test software, and Stack Overflow pops up. So that's cool. But what does this do? It just opens a Stack Overflow web page. That's not exactly exciting. What we're going to do in this case is search in the Selenium website. So the way we're going to do that, so you see the search bar, we're going to right click on it and then inspect the element to see its attributes in the HTML code. So you can see input name equals Q. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're going to use to access it. So going back to PyCharm, or any other IDE, we're going to say search equals driver find element by name, because in this case the name, we're getting the name is Q. You can also do driver.find element by like ID, class name, and other things, but in this case we're just doing name. So the name we saw was Q, so we're going to put that in. And then once we select this, what do we do? Well, we want to search something in it. So again, in our import statement, we have to include another line. That's from Selenium .webdriver. Let me look over here. Common .keys import keys. Sorry for the pauses. I was actually looking over at documentation. So once we're here, we're going to say search send keys, and then let's just say test. So it's going to input test in the search bar. And it should load up Stack Overflow. Oh my god, my bad. I accidentally said sned keys. Lol. So yeah, it says test in the search bar. Alright, sorry about that. So from here, we're going to say search send keys return, and this will just enter into that. So let me delete all of these. Once we run it, we see Stack Overflow, test, and then enter. So that's basically it for this tutorial. To recap, we located an element by name, and then we used the keys feature for Selenium to send keys to that attribute of the website that we parsed. So that's about it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.